Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood. I want to show you how we run a downspout in a French drain system. One thing that you're going to want to do, you're going to want to put your D-box outside of the French drain system. It's literally 10 times the work to try to carve out an area inside your trench for a D-box. So much easier just to do it outside of the French drain before you end up going inside the French drain with your roof runoff system. So we're not going to tie the downspout directly to our perforated pipe. The French drain pipe you never want to tie to. We're going to have a downspout on its own separate pipe. The yellow pipe is solid and it's for the downspouts. And we take it to a pop-up with some holes in the bottom. And we always make sure the pop-up has a turf restrictor plate so the grass can't grow over it. That way we can be reassured that it's always going to function properly and we're going to be able to discharge the water. This is a French drain and we took it to a 6-inch discharge. That's just common practice for us. When we do a discharge line and the drainage system on the side of the house is dependent on this drainage line, this discharge line, and there's trees that have roots that can lift and move that pipe. I mean, here, I'm going to show you the difference between a 6-inch pipe and a 4-inch pipe because I know you think, oh, 2 inches is the difference. Well, take a look here. Look at the area that the 6-inch pipe displaces versus the 4-inch pipe. So, yeah, that's why I like to take our drainage systems to a 6-inch discharge. Okay, check this out. So here's a pop-up with a turf restrictor plate. Look at how much protection we get from that turf restrictor plate. The grass is going to have a hard time growing over that. It's going to give us time to weed whip it. It's going to give the homeowner time to take care of any grass that does start to cover the turf restrictor plate. At least the pop-up will still function properly and the roof runoff system will work correctly and not flood the basement. Here's a little side note for you guys. If you can't turn the machine, you're in an area where you can't turn the machine sideways, then just take your plywood or your turf mats and just hold them up and just roll the stone in like this. It's a nice technique that the guys have. That's super handy. We do it a lot. All right, now check it out. Stone is 99% compacted as soon as you throw it in the trench. So it's not going to settle. It's not going to move. Holds the pop-up with the turf restrictor plate really secure, really nice. It's not going anywhere. That's how we do it. That's how we run a downspout in a French drain system. Just lay the pipe on top of your perforated pipe, the solid pipe, the yellow pipe. We just laid it on top of our perforated pipe, packed it in the stone when we were backfilling the French drain. Beautiful. It's not going anywhere. That's going to function fantastic. The water will run right into the French drain. All right, everybody, until the next video.